Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. I know that I've been missing in action for quite some time and it's about time that I make an entry before you guys forget me. So just to make it up to it, I have this video which is my mostly highly requested video, which is brow video, bushy eyebrow video. So I have already done brow video here in my channel, but I've been doing my brows quite differently compared to what I used to do, and I think it's quite easier and also it saves a lot of time, to be honest. So yeah, here it is. And also before starting it, a little bit of disclaimer. I think to do this look, to make it look more natural, you need a little bit of brow hair. People with very less brow, it's I won't say it's difficult, but it won't look as natural as the one with who has a little bit of hair, you know, hair. And also I just realized that I had lipstick throughout this video in my teeth. So if it bothers to any of you guys, I'm really sorry, but I can't do anything about it because I'm not gonna make this video again. So please bear with me and let's just jump start to our video then. So for this look, it's very easy. So the first thing that you're gonna need is, let me just grab that. Any soap works. I've told you before that you can use soap for your eyebrow. I have this one which is from Soap Brow, and I've been using this for quite some time. I really like it, but to be honest, any soap can do this. I don't find it like really different than any other, you know, when I use any other soap. But to make it easier for you guys, as you can see that this is a very clear looking soap. So what you can do is you look for a soap that is like clear looking. So when I think about it, I can only think about Pierce. Is that Pierce or Pearls? Pierce. I'm pretty sure it's Pierce. It's called Pierce. It's like clear looking, something like this. So I'm pretty sure that will work. The only reason that I'm saying it because is that if you have like a transparent kind of soap, it makes it easier for you to, you know, blend that soap in your eyebrows so that you don't have that flaky looking brow at the end when it dries up. You know how the soap dries up. But then I'm gonna use this now for myself. So what I'm gonna do is take like I'm gonna take my MAC Fix Plus, but you can use water or anything. I'm just lazy to go there and grab some water, so I'm just gonna use my Fix Plus. So I'm just gonna spray it like that, and after that I'm gonna okay, I hope that my mic is on. Yep, my mic is on. Right, where was I? Yep, so I'm gonna use this kind of spoolie. This is actually a mascara wand that we use, you know, dispose after we use it on client or something like that. But it's very tiny and easier to grab onto. That's why I like to use this, but you can use any spoolie, like, to be honest, any spoolie. So I'm just gonna rub that in like so, and then you can see that tiny bit of soap. It's right there. You don't need much. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start to comb my brows using this one with the soap. So lightly I'm just gonna brush it in. It just takes you like few minutes. Before it used to take me like, because my eyebrows are so different from each other, like I've told you before, it used to take me like quite some time to do the brows because just to make them look similar, you know, as in like shape. So I'm just gonna go into the soap one more time and then lightly brush it up again, and then let me just get closer to you guys. So as you can see, it is already up. My hairs are up. It's starting to look bushier. With the back of that spoolie, I'm just going to push the hair and make it stick to the skin. So you can go back and forth between the spoolie and the back of the spoolie just to get that shape. This is what I do now. So I'm gonna come closer, more closer to you guys. Ooh, we're getting really close today. So you can see that my brows compared to this side, it is brushed and it looks quite bushy, and I think you can just stop it right there and you can go. It's that quick and easy, like I told you. Other than that, because I like to fill in a little bit, because I have gap on this side, it's quite a lot on this side, but this side is a little bit, so I like to use my Anastasia Beverly Hills brow pomade, and it's in the shade dark brown, which looks like this. I'm just gonna open up like that, see, and then I'm gonna just start to fill in using a brush. Any brush works, but I'm gonna use my Pretty Cosmetic brow perfector brush on this end. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of that and then start filling the brows. And while filling the brow, just be careful that you don't take out the product we have just applied. I mean, as in like the soap that we have just applied. Make sure that you very lightly give a stroke of that hair looking effect and fill in the brows. And if you have like a different shape of eyebrow, this is where you can go creative and start like giving a shape, any shape that you want to. And because I have a little bit of hair missing on this tail side of the brow, so I like to go a little bit heavier on that side. And then we are pretty much done here. That's it. It's super easy, super quick, don't need much effort, don't need much time. It's just done right there. It's that easy. So I'm just gonna show you both my eyes. Let me just get my hair fixed first, because it's really not working on my favor today. But anyhow, we are talking about eyebrow today, so let me just get that hair out. So I'm gonna show you my eyebrows. You can already see the difference. This eyebrow and this eyebrow, it is all, wait, this side, it's all brushed up and on flick, ready to go out, darling. Alright guys, I'm done with my eyebrows, and I think it looks quite fuller and bushier as we were aiming for today, you know. So I'm pretty much happy and satisfied with how it turned out, and I hope that you guys found this video helpful. And if you do so, don't forget to like, comment and share. And if you have any other video suggestion, please do let me know in the comment box down below, so that I can make videos for you guys in the future. And I would like to sign off for now. Until next time, stay beautiful, and you know it. I love you guys. Oh my god, did I just no 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 bloody hair, bloody hair. I just can't. Oh. You got to let it go.